Hello everybody, this is a short video of how to replace a door handle or a window switch on 2013 Ford F-150. This works on 2009 all the way up to 2014 Ford F-150's crew cabs. I took most of the screws out already, but I will show you again exactly where they are located and what to do. So first you'll have to get this plastic trim piece off. There's no screws to hold it, just pretty much pull it out. It has two of those pins located inside these holes here. Okay. After that, you will have to remove a couple of screws. So one screw is right here. After you remove that plastic trim piece, there is a screw. And then there is one screw right here behind the door handle. So there is a plastic cover that goes here, which this car didn't have, but it is usually there. And there is one screw to be removed. And then on the bottom of the door panel there are two screws as well. So one is right here in this hole. You can see there is one more down here as well. So once you lift the door panel, to remove the door handle, I will try to show you. You will first have to remove this cable. You'll have to use pliers to push here to get it out of this hole. It's not too hard to do. Then you can use your fingers just to push on those two pins here, and the door handle will just slide outside right here. And you can basically put the new door handle in the same way and just attach that cable back. Okay, so to remove this window switch, there is no screws or anything. You will just have to use a tool like this just to pry underneath it and to push it up. It also has a couple of pins that are holding in, and there is a cable underneath, so just push it here. It will go out, so that's quite easy to do. And that way you can replace the handle, the door, the window switch, or whatever else you need. Once you are done, install it all back, put all the screws in, and that's it. It's an easy job.